So, fly camping, what to take, how to carry it on the Paramotor. Just going to give you a quick walk around my Paramotor, my Bulldog Paramotor, with all the equipment attached and how I did it, and then I'll open up the kit and show you what's inside. So let's start with what equipment I've got on the Paramotor. Well, I've got my reserve, that's always on there anyway, hanging on my Bulldog sidearms. And I used the same idea to create this bag here. It's a bag from Decathlon. It's very lightweight, it folds up into a tiny little size of a pair of socks. And I've created these quick release straps, which, borrowing the idea from the reserve on the other side, here you go, see? I've sewn them to the bag all the way down here. My sewning's not great, but you get the idea. Materials all the way sewn all the way to the top, quick release straps. It's also got a kind of shoulder strap, which for extra security I've just wrapped around the top there. And then the idea is you just, when you want to set up camp, you just unclip these and take it to your where you're going to camp. I've also got down here the tent, which actually includes a sleeping bag in there as well. And what I've done is I've slid it underneath the fuel tank, and I've put some paracord around here to keep it all in there under there and prevent it getting sucked into the prop area. So that's nicely secure. Yeah, so that's all the kit on the Paramotor. As you can see, it doesn't take up too much space really. Total weight of all the extra gear for camping is about 6.5 kilograms. So what I'll do is I'll take it all out shortly and show you what's inside. Right, so this is the flight deck. Easily comes off on the side. Take off this quick release bag. And as you can see, quick release, and they stay on the Paramotor. And now we have the tent and sleeping bag, which, as you can see, is nicely secured. Just got to undo the knot here. There's no danger of it coming out, dropping from underneath or getting sucked into the prop, because it's all really well tied together. And what I've used an old tent bag to put the tent and the sleeping bag inside. Just really screw here. Yeah. Okay, no worries. So, and then with that extra cordage, paracord, it's easy to pull it back through, and then that's the tent and the sleeping bag. One more thing, if you come around this side, now if you just focus on me, is it? When you're doing a long cross country and you need to refuel on a 2-stroke engine, you need oil. When you're doing a long trip, like I did in the Icarus last year, it's about 200 miles, you need probably best to take a whole litre of oil. So I'll show you how I've attached this. So it's down here, you can see this in this bag, which again I've sewn together. It's tied onto the Paramotor frame, top, bottom in 4 places, and then there's a drawstring, and then inside there's a litre of oil and a baby bottle to mix it, and that's nicely tucked away and easy to get to. Okay, so let's open up some of these bags. Start with the one that was under the fuel tank, which contains the tent and the sleeping bag. Show you how I packed it. And what I've done is just rolled out the tent. And inside is the sleeping bag. That's my sleeping bag. Okay. Total weight of this is about 2.2 kilograms. So not too much weight really. Next, we've got the flight deck, which is what I normally fly with. My phone goes here. I've got my Kobo flight computer, camera in here, and then underneath we have a bed, little blow-up bed for the tent, and a compact blow-up pillow. Also, to keep all your electronics all charged up, little battery bank there. So that's the flight deck. And we have this bag from Decathlon. Again, just to show you what I've done here, I've sewn all this to the bag. And let's see what's inside. So in the front pocket, there's a little buff. At night time, if it gets chilly, you can just, because I've got no hair, put that over my head, keeps me warm. And then inside, bottle, which I may plan to take with water in it. But I've also got in here a water filter, which hopefully will keep me hydrated. And I've got a little wash kit as well. So we've got a bit of sun cream in there. And just a few essentials: contact lenses, toothbrush, toothpaste, and some hand sanitizing gel. And then we have hair, my Paramotor cover to keep it all dry at night, and the wing. Like so. And there you go, that's all nicely protected from the rain. And that's my Paramotor cover. Lightweight and combines covering the wing up as well. And stuff sack for the wing. Also, a head torch, really useful when you're landing late at sunset and you need to set all this gear up. Invaluable. And in this back pocket here, we have a few mirrors. Quite lightweight. Just need water, which leads me to this little cook set, which is nice and compact. In the bag, open it up, and we have measuring jug, lid, supplies are a bit of coffee, gas, and your stove, which attaches onto here, and some legs to go underneath. So cool. So you can cook yourself one of these meals and make a cup of coffee. Yeah, that's it, that's all the gear. So hope that helps.